Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous part of the pandas series, we were talking about sorting indices. Today we'll be talking about another way of rearranging multi-index data, index setting and resetting. Let's start with the latter. You can use the reset index method if you want to turn index labels into columns. Let's use the example from the previous part to demonstrate this. So here's our data object from the previous part. And now let's reset the index. This will produce a data frame with the index labels city and year turned into column names. We'll also pass the name for the data column. So the name will be set to result. And now the output will be like so. So now city and year are the names of the columns, and here is the data column. This was resetting the index. You can also do the opposite. By setting the index, you will turn a data frame into a multiply index data frame. So let's set index and pass city and year, and then we will get the following: a multiply index data frame. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.